If I was a bird, I'd fly away from here, dive into the ocean where the water looked most clear, search for your heart, a perfect target for my fear, and build a nest upon the breast of my dear. As you lay sleeping still, my love is taking form. My underbelly now, it helps to keep you warm. The ruffled feathers, they could cause a tiny storm, making you sneeze, and from your dreams you're gently torn. But baby, baby, don't wake up on my account. It's true, I can't make do without you around. But then again, the simple timbre of your sound into my ears, and I am down on solid ground. If you were a bird, you'd fly away from here to a treetop where the view was new and clear. Bask in the beauty, yeah, you wouldn't shed no tear. You'd fly away, but won't you stay with me, my dear? As I lay sleeping still, you spin your stories out. Your wings surround me, and you found me on a cloud. You kiss my mouth and wonder what she dreaming now, as if I wasn't wearing all my insides out. As if I wasn't wearing all my insides out. But baby, baby, won't you wake me from this rest? With your body, feel the rising in my chest. But will it take to make you realize you are blessed? Because I know I am the one that loves you best. Because I know I am the one that loves you best. No, I am the one that loves you. Little dove, our love, it's like a tiny bird. Hang on to its wings just like I hang on to yours.